Copo. It's a Copo, original paint, 11,000 original miles.
Just got here, Atco Dragway. Nice October day. The air feels killer. Jeff, what's going on? Did you? This is the first run of the day for everybody.
Well, yeah, I already went down, but I spun the tires real bad.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah, the car moved about 8 feet and then just spun. So I'm gonna see if I can bring it back up.
Oh yeah. Okay. Cool.
See what happens.
Good luck on the second run.
All right.
There.
Thanks.
All right. So super stock action here at Atco Dragway. This is the East Coast Super Stock Association. Jeannie Leakey's coming out of the bracket racing industry.
I'm not wearing any makeup, and I didn't do my hair.
That's okay. We all, you look just fine, you know?
What's up?
Glowing.
Yeah, hopefully we get to go down the track soon, but Atco's a great track, and June and Team D, everybody here does a good job, so it'll be fine.
Yeah, and it's nice to see you,
Where are you?
rejoining us. My cars are kind of down for the count right now in Pennsylvania, and I was starting in Jersey, so I would have had to drive past this track all the way to PA, load them up, and then come back.
I thought you'd be getting on a plane and going to St. Louis with half of Division 1.
Believe me, I was trying. Was trying very hard. All right, Jeannie. Take care. Good luck.
We don't need any overs here.
All right, A-Stock Automatic. How you doing? All right, now they just stopped. It sounds like a couple cars spun. They want to make sure that the track has some good bite to it. So they are checking that out. In the meantime, we'll talk to Lou Santalans, F-Stock Automatic. What's up, Lou?
How you doing, Bobby?
All right, what do you got here? What kind of car?
We got it's a 70 CUDA, 383, running F-Stock Automatic.
All right, so it's a 70 CUDA. It's not the... I'm anxious to see a couple guys talking about that 346 pack they're going to come out with and race next year. So this is not one of those. This
No,
is
sir.
the 383. What carb comes on the 383?
This carb is the small cam AVS combination. Seems to work well for us, so we stayed with it.
All right, and then what kind of ETs do you run with this?
She'll run 1115 to 11 flat in a regular bracket mode, nice and easy.
Now, are you going to put it in bracket mode today, or are you going to turn it up for this air?
We might play a little bit and see what she does.
All right, we got no AHFS to worry about here, so all we need is a little bite. There's a lot of wind, though. The wind's kind of a headwind. That's gonna ruin a couple times for people.
It's gonna hold us back a little bit.
We don't like that.
No, none of us do.
All right, Lou. Take care, buddy. Good luck out there.
Okay, Bobby. Thank you.
All right, we got usual suspects here. We got Anthony Fetch. There's Jeannie's father, Doug Linky. Tim Partash, what's going on, buddy?
Oh, just having a good time here today.
All right. So Tim is the first run of the day. The air feels pretty crisp. A little wind. How do you think the car's going to run today?
I think it's going to go pretty fast. I think it's good.
You got it tuned up, or you got it in your regular bracket mode? You're just here to win some scratch.
Just regular bracket mode.
All right.
We don't do much fast stuff.
No? Okay.
Nope.
That's all right. Neither do I. So enjoy it. D-Stock Automatic. What year is the Camaro?
97.
97. Does that have a
LT1.
LT1. All right. Good for you. Let's see. 10. What do you go about? 1020s? 1030s?
I wish. Probably run about a 1055 today.
1055. All right. Well, you know, the air is pretty good. Might go a little faster than that.
Hope so.
All right, Tim. Take it easy, buddy.
Thank you.
With this car. Vinyl top. 69 H-Stock Automatic. Neil Curcio. Okay. Nice. You will see cars at these events that you don't see at NHRA Lucas Oil Divisional Series events as much. Such as that white Camaro, the vinyl top Camaro there. Don't know if I've seen that one. There's Billy. There's Dwayne.
Hello, hello.
What's up, guys?
All right. Billy, you're driving Dad's... Is it your car or Dad's car?
Our car.
Our car, all right. I mean, if you do a lot of work on it, it definitely moves over into hour.
Exactly.
Right?
That's exactly what it comes down to. So I'm really excited. I've been excited all week. Haven't really slept. Haven't really eaten. Just want to get down the track. So.
Right. No sleep. Nerves. No eating. Car will go faster.
Yeah, right.
Making all the right moves here.
Yep, exactly.
F-Stock automatic. What year is the Cuda?
69.
69 Barracuda?
Yep.
340?
340, yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Now, that means Dad's driving the
He's got the big
Charger.
car. He's got the big car, so he loves that car. So he loves the G-Force.
He loves it. He loves the sound of it too, right?
Yeah, exactly. Well, he finally calmed that down a little bit, so that's good.
Oh, man.
We had to.
So we got to talk him out of it.
No, it's more work for me.
All right. We won't talk him out of it then.
Come on, yeah. No. So, but yeah.
Good for you. Well,
it's a good
luck.
weekend.
Good luck
Thank
to
you.
The air's feeling really good. The wind just died down that we were talking about a few minutes ago, so hopefully you guys get down the track
exactly
in record timing.
Yep.
Okay, F-Stock automatic, and what kind of ET does it normally run?
1090s.
All right.
So
I'm expecting a 1075 today.
Yeah. Got a little bit of weight in it too, so but we'll keep it. We'll see what happens.
All right, buddy.
So thanks, Bobby.
Take care. Good
yep.
luck.
All right. See you guys.
Fellas. Angelo, how you doing? Angelo Dimitri, hello all people. Check out this clean Camaro here. Now, F-Stock automatic. Oh, Fogarty, what's up? It's your car? All right. Freshly painted? Freshly painted? Are these my wheels?
Yes, they are.
They are. They're off my Superstock car. Nice black paint here. 67 Camaro? Let's talk to Kevin Fogarty about his Camaro. Here, Kevin, take the microphone.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. We're talking to Kevin Fogarty, though.
How you doing?
So, who builds the engines?
My dad.
Oh.
My dad does it, yeah. It's got a 327 in it.
327 advertised and rated.
It's rated 270. It's advertised at 275.
Oh, you're one of those kind. Okay.
Yeah, it's D-rated, which is crazy.
Aristocrat. Okay.
Yes, I am. Yeah. That has a Panic 3-speed in it. 200 metric.
What kind of torque converter?
ATI I run.
ATI torque converter. What, about an 8-inch converter?
Yeah, 8-inch converter. Stalls like 5,400, 5,500.
All right, cool. What are you shifting at?
I shift first, second around 66, 67, and then I shift second and third around 7 to 71.
Okay, what's it go through the traps?
Around 75, 7,600.
All right, what kind of ET are we expecting today?
I'm hoping the thing goes 11 O's. That'd be good. Like 119, 118 mile an hour would be good.
All right. We'll
That'd
see.
be great. Yeah, guy one.
The wind keeps coming and going here, so I'm not sure. It feels like a headwind, but then it goes away for a little bit.
Yeah.
I hope, when we get rolling here again, this wind either is a tailwind or no wind at all, because I want to see fast times today.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's only, we just dialed the motor last Tuesday, so it's the first time out. We'll see what happens.
Oh, man. All right. Good luck to you,
Yeah,
buddy.
absolutely.
Have fun.
Yeah, Bobby,
Car
always,
looks
man.
good.
Thanks, Bobby. Thanks, buddy.
Now, Nick Scardelli's making an appearance today with the Mercury Capri. This thing is sharp looking. Can't even find a speck of dust on it, so I don't want to get too close. Shiny, even the tires have some armor all on them. Let's take a look inside. You know the rules. When you're not around and Fazio is, the camera could be going inside your car. That, like the seats, seat covers, got the cheetah shifter. Trans brake up on the dash. Now Nick, I do believe, runs a 302. Yes, he does, a 302 230. And looks like a 28. Sure is. 28, I can't tell. 2830. Wait. 302 230. 68 Mercury. Engine. We'll shut the door a little bit. Leave it just the way we found it so he doesn't know we were in it. I think he's got aluminum heads on his, so it's rated a little higher. Now, he used to run a 289 210, which is what I run in my 65 Mustang, but he switched over. 302, 230, rated at 230. Got the weather station. Let's take a look at this weather station. What do we have here? All right, 58 degrees. It is pretty crisp out here. 58% humidity, 2989 barometer, which, believe it or not, is a little bit low for Atco. This place is over 30, routinely over 30. So the air when you come to this place is just great. 216 feet of density altitude. I think it was over 30 last time I raced here. There's Tex Miller. Everybody knows Tex Miller. Say hi, Tex. Tex has run quite a few events with this car over the years. Former world champion, too. Kevin Clark's Buick. This thing leaves nice, runs good. Joe Clark building the engine, so clearly it's going to run good. And then Steve Salka, AA stock automatic. This is the 427. 427, 425 horse. Now, in my opinion, these weight stickers should have the year on them, the cubic inch, advertised and rated. Now, this one has the advertised and rated. So this is a 327. We don't know what year this 327's out of. 327 250. Some of the diehards probably know exactly what engine combination that is. 327 250, rated at 250. I think it's a very early 327. I remember talking to him one time, like in early 60s, the year they came out, the 327. Robert Brinkman, how you doing, buddy? This is a modified car. So, Robert, we're just going to look at your sticker real quick. 339 cubic inch, Superstock C modified. So in modified Superstock, you are allowed the hood scoop, and you're allowed a small cubic inch screamer. There's Matt Lisa. He's focused, and he wins a lot. All right, now here's the Dodge Charger that Billy does not want his father to rev up too high, because Billy has to work on it all the time. Dennis, I do have decals with me. I have decals and shirts for anybody that's here that wants a shirt. They're in my car at the top of the staging lanes. If you see that white Ford Fusion up there at the top of the staging lanes, that's my car, and that's where I have shirts and decals. I believe this is a 446 pack, 1971 Dodge Charger. 440, 385, rated at 396. So 3730 if he runs.
I show him the ram air door opening and closing.
Oh man!
The girl was taking pictures of that.
So if he runs
that was $60.
C stock automatic, 3730 weight, 3930 and D stock automatic. All right, Nick. I spoke to your son. He says he doesn't feel like working on anything this week, so he wants you guys to take it easy this week.
That's
all right?
right. That's right. We're going to take it very easy. Have fun today. That's right. Son and father deal, and whatever happens, happens. And
but see, I told him I didn't want you to take it easy, and
oh,
I don't know if
we can't put the car
I don't know if
the
you like
track
that.
ain't there.
Yeah.
No, I don't like to take it. Oh no, I don't like it. I want class. You know, it's like
Yeah.
I want to. I want to work for this job.
Absolutely.
You know? That's right. So what we've been doing. Car's been a stocker since 75, 76.
76.
76. Yeah.
What year did you get it?
I bought it brand new. I was 23 years old. Bought it from the factory. Yeah.
Now was that after you got out of the Army?
Yeah. I got out at 70. I guess the beginning of 70. I ordered a car in 71.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
And you were in Vietnam then in 1969?
Yeah, I was in 68, 69.
All right. Well, that was
in between.
Rough time to be there.
Yeah.
According to my history books.
Ted Offensive was 68.
Oh, my goodness. All right. Well,
I kind of missed that. That was earlier in the year. I don't think I got there till August.
Okay, well, you deserve this car and about 5 more. So
thank you.
Thanks for your service, buddy. Good luck out there. How you doing, Mr. Bubka?
Okay.
John Bubka.
John, that's me.
John, where are you from?
Long Island.
Long Island. So you made a long trip down here today, huh?
Not so much.
What's it take, about 2 hours, 3 hours?
3.
3 hours.
Yep.
All right. Everybody loves this car. This is a 1966
66, yes.
Chevy 2 with the 327,
350 horsepower.
350 horse. So the
Yeah.
big one.
Yeah, that year.
The 1 year special.
Yes.
Okay, and does this have factory seats? How long have you had this car, John?
Oh, 30 years at least.
30 years.
Yeah, a long time. The 4-speed car. That's
4-speed.
how
yeah.
it came in 66.
What transmission?
To Jericho 4-speed. Yeah.
Okay, now do you build this car yourself, the engine and everything?
Yes. Yep.
Good for you,
All
John.
in-house.
In-house. John, are you working? Are you retired?
No, still working.
What do you do?
Fire truck mechanic with my brother. He owns the business and I work with him.
Okay. All right. So you both live on Long Island. And what town?
Ridge.
Ridge?
Town of Ridge, yes.
New York. Okay. All right, John. Well, great car. Good luck out there. Rip
Okay.
those gears, all right, buddy?
Okay. See you.
This is about as old school as you can get. Let's take a look underneath. No wheelie bars. Still has the factory gas tank in it. Leaf spring. I think he's got like what, slapper bars or whatever they would be called up there. If you can see. 327, 350. Let's take a look at the sticker. I want to see what that's rated at. 287. 287. That's a pretty nice rating for an advertised 350. So that's the 65 Corvette engine that was offered in the 66 Nova. Now this is there he is right there, 67.
Brother.
All right, James Perrone, everybody's favorite stock racer, running super stock. All right, good luck.
All right, brother. Thank you.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. How you doing? Beautiful day.
Isn't it? I'm telling you. Man, I wish I was racing today.
No car for you today?
No car today. Nope. Dutch Classic. I'll be at the Dutch Classic with something. Probably stock eliminator.
Cool.
You'll be there, right?
I'll be there.
Okay.
Look forward to it.
What class? So I know which one not to run.
L or M?
Oh, no. All right, Joe.
L or M.
I'll move
Good
up
seeing
to
you.
Jay then. All right.
Good seeing you. Take
How you
care.
running today so far?
Not too good. We wound up blowing the tires away. Myself and basically everybody behind me.
All right, so this is like the rerun section
We're
here.
rerunning, yeah, you know. I don't think it was the track for me. I mean, I just didn't do a good burnout. I deserved to spin, but these other guys, just the way it went. You know?
All right.
So,
Now, Joe, you retired or are you still working?
no, I still work.
The hair salon?
I'm a barber.
Barber.
I'm a barber.
All right. Very good. I need you to do a little work on me
Yeah,
after
man, we
this
got
run,
to
okay?
tighten you up a little bit in
Yeah.
between rounds.
There we go. I like it. Set up a chair here. Come on. All right, Joe. Good luck.
Okay,
Have fun,
be well.
buddy.
Thank you.
Got Joe's Camaro. Joe's has got the 350, 250 horse. That's the 2-barrel from 1969, rated at 224. Man, these Chevys are rated soft. Pat Molly. All right, you're rolling. So, real quick, what year's the car and what engine?
69 Camaro, 396, 3 1/4.
All right. Good luck to you, buddy.
Thank you.
Are these factory seats, though?
See, it's still stock seats.
And how long have you had the car?
50 years.
Woo! All right.
71, add it up. 50 years, 50 plus.
We'll come around and
It's
talk to you
Copo,
again.
it's a Copo, original paint, 11,000 original miles.
This is an original Copo?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. You still got the engine at home?
Nah, if I had it, we got rid of it years ago. We didn't know what it was worth.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Same old story. I've heard
All
that
right.
one a bunch of times.
Okay.
All right, Pat. Good
Right.
luck, buddy.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.
Wow, an original Copo car. And he's had it for 50 years. Pat Chrome Molly. E-stock automatic. So the 396, 3 1/4. If it was a 396, 375, it would be up in B or C. Sometimes A, B, or C. Yeah, he just told us.
That's the real
Yeah,
deal
real
right
deal.
there, man.
I asked him if he still had the engine at home, but He said no, they got rid of it before they knew what they were going to be worth. Alright, Jeff Lawrence is going to round it out. GTE automatic. Now he runs a 351 Cleveland motor. 351, 285, 324. And then the track was nice enough to let the ladies and gentlemen that spun in the first run, letting them make a rerun. So there we go. I just came down the line. Thanks for joining me, and I'll try to get more video. See you guys. Alright, we're gonna watch some stock, super stock action here.
Running Super D automatic.
Considered qualifying session number 2, but these are not qualifying runs. This is a stock, super stock combo.
Jeff Roll.
And an
67 Ford.
divisional race. So stock and super stock are lumped together this weekend for a bracket race
at 121.
dial-in handicap style racing. However, right now it doesn't matter what kind of car you have, the lights, the 3 yellows are going to come down at the same time.
Junior streets and all the junior dragsters to the lanes right now for round number 1. Get that race face on,
practice
kids.
run before eliminations begin. So stock and super stock combo. Super stock cars are allowed trans brakes and air shifters. Stockers are only allowed a 2-step button on their brake pedal.
Coming up back over here.
So you would think the super stockers have an advantage, but believe it or not, a stock eliminator car wins these races more often than not.
First 1102, 118. Right side, 1099 at 118.
These cars are both stock eliminator cars. We've got the Nova in the far lane, and we have the Chevy 2 here in the near lane. I think Boyles is about a 68, 72-ish, or later actually. I think his is well into the 70s. And then right here in the near lane, what are we looking at? About 66, 67. Full stock eliminator. Boyles, I think, is H-stock automatic. Right lane, far lane. Near lane here, I believe, is about E-stock automatic. F-stock automatic, near lane. .84, 119 miles an hour in this lane, 1104 in the far lane.
Richard Boyle, 27 on the red, 1104 at 117. Gary Walters running at 1084 at 119.
But these cars are stock eliminator cars. Near lane, Pat Molly, 69 Camaro. It's an original Coco. Coco from 1969. Now he's running a 396, 325 horse motor in a 10-car dash right lane. And jumped through the beam. He's trying to get up on the
right there, 121 from Pat Molly. Left lane rolled the beam and will not get a time.
Pat Molly. 1070 something at 120 something. You guys all just heard it right. Alright, near lane's a super stock car. Anthony Clips. Car, so that means he's running a that body, I think, is like a 90, 91, 92 Camaro with far lane is a stock eliminator Pontiac Firebird. So that's stock. You got to run that car, engine, gear, whatever you're claiming, and stick shift car in the far lane there. The yellow car will probably cover the .07, 131, 1051,
1051 with a 2 for strike at 127.
near lane is Charlie Buff. Buff's got the 67 68 Camaro there, and Joey spun off the line in the Monte Carlo. Buffka went 10-13 and 129 miles an hour. Nice wheelie to boot. Right, check this car out. Mopar, what do we got here? Somebody that's better than me at this. Is that like a 63, 64? Or even a 62? I think it's E-stock automatic. These cars are stockers. You will find more stockers than super stockers at these events.
Alright, all the junior street and the junior dragsters should all be in the lanes ready to go for round number 1. Just go out there and concentrate. Like my dad used to say, just do the best you can, son.
Ed Max, tell me what year that car is.
Stacked on the base car and 1173 at 111.
Alright, who's out there? Got Dwayne Dickens, Louis Gill.
Hi, A-stock automatic. Stan Germansky, the Nova from Midtown, Delaware, left side, and Glenn Briglio. 89 Camaro, the B&B car.
Tommy Baker, 62 Plymouth. I said 63, 4, and then I went down to 2. Half the time,
running
know myself.
automatic.
Alright, Nova, far lane, big block Nova, I believe, and Glenn Briglio here in the near lane Camaro. The combination that will be extremely.
And Briglio, 1096 and 119.
No holding back. Alright, we got a stick car, near lane, super stock car. Anthony Cinto. And far lane, Kenny Robinson, 60.
Hey, Kenny Robinson coming up next here, left lane.
See the windows. Is that a 67 or 68 Camaro?
He's running that 67 E-stock.
67 E-stock, so that's a 396, 325.
Anthony Cinto.
Cinto, I don't know what
Don
motor
Cinto auto.
Cinto, 951, 139. Banging the gears.
Robinson going 121.
Kenny goes 1077, 121 in the 67 Camaro. Eddie, no, I'm not racing. I'm just spectating today. It's all fun. Man, what is that? Is that an Olds 442 here? And check out this wagon. P-stock automatic wagon. Both these cars are stockers.
Well, you don't see many 65 Malibu wagons. At least I know. True. Very rare car. Here we go. Woodbury is Paul Ladd. And we got Sam Murray out there. 72. Oldsmobile Cutlass S.
Olds Cutlass, that is a stick car.
J-stock, stick shift car.
I'd love to know how much this wagon weighs.
52 and 114. The Oldsmobile, 17 on the light,
15,
13 light for Paul Ladd.
15,
52, going 83.
83 miles an hour.
Big old wagon.
Yeah, that's what I was
P-stock automatic. I think it's set on the window, so he's you gotta speed that up a little bit.
2009 Dodge Challenger. Here's Jay Neville driving it.
That's a stick car, super stock J stick car in the far lane.
Running in factory stock B. Super J, the stick shift Nova. Here we go. Small block.
Near lane is this. Okay, near lane 1033, 126 miles an hour.
621. Boy, that's gotta be a fun car.
1096.
1033 for Devil.
Superstock Jerry.
126.
Superstock Jerry.
All right, last call. Junior Street to the lane.
1096. I don't know if he's running the index. I believe the Superstock J
All right.
is...
You're not in the lane. Shame on you.
J automatic index is 11.
Here we go.
I think the J stick index would be 1095, 1090.
She wants to get to first place this weekend. She's not far behind either. Here, coming from Massachusetts in the
Allison Dahl,
Firebird.
near lane Firebird, stock
C stock
car, far lane,
automatic.
Dwayne
Drop down in
Heinz,
class. And around 1030, 128.
1030 for Allison, 128,
1071,
1071, 123. For Dwayne, Tom, the Superstock J stick index is 1080 and the J automatic is 11 flat. Why do you keep them stick cars so bad, Tom?
Hi, Jeffrey Lawrence. Lawrence Racing Engines.
Well, for those that want to combine sticks and autos, we all go into the auto index.
Malibu from
I'm all
New
for
Jersey.
that.
GTE
All right,
automatic
Farlane,
for the
Jeff.
Ford and a K-Stock automatic
Jeff,
for
not
the
Jeff Roll,
Chevrolet.
Jeff Lawrence. Jeff Lawrence, he's the engine builder. That's got a 351 Cleveland in the late 80s Mustang body. That's a GT car.
19 on the 60-foot. Oh, yeah.
Malibu, 1211 at 107.
Dakota with a 1211 at 107.
I don't know what happened to Jeff. He looked like he was on a decent launch. He might have been heading toward the tree or the wall. Alright, now this stalker right here in the near lane, front wheel drive stalker. So it's on eliminations, this would be much more fun race to watch because he would be getting about a 6-second head start. And the far lane is a super stock car, Doug Linke. That's also a GT car, I believe. It's got a Firebird with an older motor in it.
In the right lane against Doug Linke, Pontiac. GTA.
There is nothing wrong with the front wheel drive car. He's just, that's how fast he goes. Doug went 1035 at 127, 1443 at 92 miles an hour. And I believe that front wheel drive car, the index for that thing, I was talking to the son, I believe that's like a 1550 index. I think that guy is like 1 second under the index. So if we were actually qualifying, he would be towards the top of the sheet. All right, James Brown, far lane, Superstock G automatic, 67, Nova, 327, near lane, Thornton, I believe. I think that's a GT car, so Camaro with a different year motor.
Over there. I'll tell you, there's not
Both
a lot of
Superstock cars.
I'm Jeffrey Thornton.
We should see some wheelies here.
Racing machine.
Starting line's a little tricky today. Some people are going up really high, some people are spinning. 1016, 129 for Perone, 1138, 115 for Thornton. I know that's not what he was looking for. Okay, near lane, this is a modified car now. This is Richard K. in the Mopar here. I don't know what this is, like a
Russ Linke in the Cobalt, Richard K. in the modified.
Plymouth,
The,
like a Valiant. Yeah, it's a Valiant.
Modified over there, far side, the GTK
And
automatic Cobalt.
Russell Linke, GTK automatic Cobalt. So Russell is running a front-wheel drive conversion car under the GT designation. Both of these cars are super stock. Russell's running, I think, a 305 cubic inch engine out of an 80s Camaro. Cars usually do 864 to 152 miles an hour. 968 for Russell.
E modified car running good.
So if you're just joining us and you're not that familiar with stock and super stock, this is just, these are time runs. This is practice.
Bill Kennedy's Firebird.
The lights are coming down at the same time for both
Joe
drivers.
DeMarzo.
Next
right
time
side.
these drivers hit the track, there will be eliminations. There will be handicap starts, and the lights will be coming down at different times. And then it's the first car to the finish line wins without going quicker than your handicap time. Near lane, Joe DeMarzo, stock eliminator car, 8-stock automatic, Nova, and far lane was a super stock Firebird, Bill Kennedy.
At 116 for DeMarzo. At 116.
Near lane, Tex Miller, 351 Cleveland. I think it's a 71 Mustang. Stock eliminator car. Far lane, super stock car. Pat Glade.
Blade's the new car, the 86 Camaro. Here we go, left lane, running in GT M automatic, it looks like.
GTM automatic for Pat Glade. That used to be Herbie Knowles' car. Pat Glade bought it this year.
Tex Miller, F stock automatic. Ford Mustang, the 72.
72.
For Tex,
135.
194.
Pat 1102, 119 for Tex. Alright, about the most old school like,
the
stock eliminator car you'll ever see in stock eliminator. Far lane, 66,
over there, the stock
Chevy
automatic. Rich Wagner.
327,
Coming out of
350 horse,
Hamilton.
stick car. And nothing like still does dry house.
1180 at 113. Right side for Wagner and the
1229,
1229
101
101.
in the near lane. Alright, Kevin Clark near lane, that's a super stock car, GT car. That's a Buick, but he is running an old school 1960s 327 in there. And far lane is Jeannie Linky, that is a stocker. So whatever year Camaro that is, that's the engine that came in the car. Kevin Clark usually does a nice wheelie, so keep your eyes on the near lane here.
Here's Jeannie Norton.
Kevin.
48.
1148, 15 for Jeannie. Another modified car. Robert Brinkman, far lane, that's a super stock car.
Brinkman coming up here with a modified car. 1960 Corvette, C-modified.
60 Corvette, C-modified. I think it's got a 3.
Joe Lisa with the E-stock automatic. 68
inch.
Camaro.
Matt Lisa, near lane stalker.
Matt Lisa.
396, 3 1/4 horse. Matt Lisa spun off the line, headed toward the wall, and got out of it. Lisa's is a 68 Camaro, 396 stocker. It's cold out today. The track has the sun beating on it, but it just doesn't. They're saying that there's not a whole lot of heat in it. They've been spraying it.
Bob Brinkman going to be a happy man. He got that car in the 8s. We've been trying to do
Alright,
that
near
for a
lane,
while.
next Cardelli, Mercury Capri. It's a GT super stocker because it's running a Mercury Cougar engine in it.
Cardelli coming up with the Mercury
Far
Capri
lane, I
right side.
believe,
He's got Joe
Joe
Wanchi in the left lane, the 69
Stocker, that's a
Camaro.
69 Camaro, 352.
Running an L stock automatic.
So Nick in the near lane, Capri, outrun Joe in the far lane. Nick should do a nice wheelie also.
Nice Cardelli out there.
loaded the rear tires there. Let's see, 997, 131, 1184 for Joe, 184
at 108.
Nick went 995 in the first run.
Puts it in the
He didn't go up that high, so I think going up, he went up really high. He might have loosened the shots a little bit. Alright, near lane Superstock, that's Joe Lisa, Matt's father. Another one of those 87 Camaros with a different year engine in it. Far lane, the double A stock automatic. 69 Camaro with the 427.
And Joe Lisa GT.
The Stocker outran the Super Stocker. It's a 971 to a 985.
And 135. Joe Lisa laying down a big number.
427's making power. Alright, everybody, check out my buddy Dwayne here. Dwayne moving in the Maverick, near lane, the yellow car. Watch him put it on the back bumper. And far lane is Dave Bocacci, another 69 Camaro Stocker. So Dwayne's the super stock car. He's running a Mercury Cougar motor. Far lane's a Stocker. That's the 396. Both big wheelies here. Like Dave's car just shut off.
55 and 124.
Dwayne went 1055.
Shutting it down upstairs at 1149 at 84 miles an hour.
I'm not sure what happened to Dave Bocacci's car. They both launched really high. Dave really went up, and it sounded like he went to unload the back tires also. Alright, now this is father and son. Far lane, 71 Dodge Charger, 446 pack. Near lane is the 69 Barracuda, Nick Ryder and Billy Ryder.
Here we go, Nick Ryder.
Father
and
is
Billy
in the
Ryder
green car.
Right side, he's got the Mopar too. Billy with an 1105.
158, 122, 1105, 120. Father's car is a little quicker than son's car. Okay, two super stock cars here. Near lane's a modified car.
Shane Oaks.
You can tell from the hood scoop, not allowed hood scoops in any of these categories.
Here you got the Firebird leading the
stock
points right now, and he just got
Far lane
keep
Shane
skating
Oaks.
all the way he's been doing here this year.
Firebird
And,
with a different gear engine, so it's a
here we go.
GT super stocker.
He's got Jeff Tripp right side.
For Jeff, 970 at 135 miles an hour for Shane Oaks.
14 light running a 970.
Two good lights there, 001 light for Jeff and 14 light for Shane. Anything below an
Doesn't get much better than that.
30 light, I would say 029 or better is where you want to be. And for anybody that's not aware, what I mean by that, 0.029. You want to be rolling out of the starting line beam as the green light's coming on. Cobra 67 Camaro, 327. 1118 and 107. So you want to be pulling out of the starting line beam as the green light's coming on. When they say a number like 014, that means the green light was on for 14 thousandths of a second before.
We're going to go right into it here. We want everyone right now
to a very good light.
Stand
0.000 is perfect. Alright guys,
for
we're
the
about to do
playing
the
of our national anthem. Please remove your hats.
So I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching.